Hello everybody, it's day 9 and we will open my calendar. So, let's get right onto it, onto it, you know what I mean? So, this is day 9. And there shouldn't be so much ice skating left because we reached the edge, but let's see. It's still ice skating. Oh no, it's a bit ice skating, but not all of it. Let me have a look. Okay, nice. Handful of pieces, so the sun is shining here. It's cold outside, but the sun is shining, so I hope it's a chocolate toffee. Yes, it's a chocolate toffee. I can eat it. And that was number 1. So let's have a look. Day 9 already, so in 4 days we've got half of the calendar done. And on Monday we can say next week is Christmas. So that's number 9. Okay, I can see candy canes and maybe it's a dog. Could be a dog. Look at that piece. Maybe it's a dog. We will see in a minute. So let's start the jigsaws. Was right. We've got 2 dogs here. So I think the breed is called Dachshund in English, but in Germany we say Dackel. So we've got 2 Dackel here. A long hair and a short hair, I guess. And here we have got the edge of the ice skating area. So you can see here the people are still ice skating, but that's the edge. And this looks like a fancy restaurant or something. And yes, here you can see maybe something like a promenade or... yeah, I will try to... oh yes, I can see it. So this piece goes here, but I will put the camera up for that because it's getting... it's yeah. It's difficult with one hand, so I think I might have to start doing the jigsaws above. But we will see. Oh no! Yeah. Crap happens. So this and that. And now onto here. And here we've got proper. Look at that. Edge of the ice skating area. So it's here, and then it goes some... I think here maybe here's some like a tree, or it's the Rockefeller Center. I don't know. We will see. We've got a few days left. It's nice. We haven't even got half of it. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to make me a Christmas present, just hit the like button. It's enough for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.